Hello, dear doctors. It is such a disheartening situation we are passing. Patients are dying just like that, slipping away from our hands. Never in our life we were so helpless. To someone who came with a fever, with sore throat, giving paracetamol, azithromycin, ivermectin, doxycycline, whatnot. We don't know how much they are effective in the COVID. Just few days back, patients are spending, just 4 or 5 days back, they are spending a good time with their family. They are all working hard from the home. They went to a market to get something in the home, and yesterday they ended up with the COVID fever, and by next day they are quickly slipping down from 98 to 96 to 92 to 85, 50, 40 and passing away, the oxygen saturation levels. This makes us feel whether medicine is a science at all or not. In this context, this is a very rare scenario or a situation where we are preparing for a PG medical entrance exam with so much sadness surrounding us. Never it happened. In the past 23 years, where I had an opportunity to mentor thousands of medical students, first time in my life, I have to face a scenario where we as the doctors are taking the caseload. At the same time, we are also preparing for the most competitive postgraduate medical entrance in the world. So at this tough hour, I wanted to spend and share few insights with all of you. If you look at the statistics as on today, May 2nd, on May 1st we had almost 3,689 deaths, unimaginable, of the young men. A lot of them are in the age group of 30 to 40. Every hospital requires residents, and residents only will join if the NEET PG entrance is conducted. Unless we all become residents, we extend our hands to be part of the healthcare system, and we're all waiting when we get an opportunity to join that postgraduate residency. All the plans are delayed, the dreams are delayed, the NEET PG is delayed, the life is very stagnant, and an entrance exam which tests a lot of facts, to carry all those facts in our brain with the delaying exam. Tomorrow when you become a dermatologist, all that anatomy that you studied is not really useful. Tomorrow when you become cardiothoracic surgeon, so much of facts and figures that we have memorized for the NEET PG entrance, everything is of no use. Only for entrance exam we are carrying all this shit in our brain. So at the end of every tunnel there is light, and the ones who thinks with that positivity in the mind can only be the winners. So my advice to all of you is to be composed. There is a rumor going around that the NEET PG will be delayed towards August, and there is a chance that INICET midterm won't be conducted, and only INICET will be in the end of the year. So in this situation, how are you going to leverage these last 90 extra days of time that you got? So there are 6 subjects, most highly but most weak for many NEET PG aspirants. You can take every chance to grill them quickly so that you are going to get an extra advantage in the tomorrow's exam if you don't waste time with rumors. Dermatology, psychiatry, anesthesia, forensic medicine, ophthalmology, microbiology, we always disliked. But the next 90 days, you can always leverage on this and remain thinking positive, strongly believing in your dream that you are born to become a great clinician after becoming a topper in the NEET PG. Dr. Murali Bharadwaj with all of you every day, anytime, anywhere.